Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love bite for you. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Leo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here today with me again. And if you're new here, we welcome you. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ooh, starting with the Empress, Leo. With the King of Swords, Two of Swords, Five of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Page of Cups. Oh, that's sweet. The Emperor, King of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. All right. Somebody wants a restart here, Leo. I don't know what this is all about, but some truth and clarity is coming. Some communication is coming. Whatever was hidden in the dark is going to be kind of revealed, I think, now. Somebody wants to have this clear-cut communication as to say, hey, can we have a restart here? Okay, that's at least what I feel right now from looking at the cards. But of course, we'll clarify this. Before I begin the reading, Leo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. But I do have some lovely cards. I have an apology coming. I have an Empress sitting on my table with the Emperor and the Ten of Cups in the end as well. Right? So this promises to be a nice reading. Just give me a second, switch the phone off. Alright, so I'm so sorry, Leo. Alright, so let's start with some dialogue message cards. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person spirit. Leo and their person, they could say something to each other now. Leo and their person. Okay, let's take a few more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. I will have to pause it for just a second. My phone is still buzzing, so must be an emergency. Sorry, Leo, that was my daughter, but you know how kids are, it's always an emergency with them, so I had to take that call. So, no, everything is fine, don't worry. All right, let's begin your reading then. The first card here says, Leo, I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going fucking crazy. So maybe somebody has trust issues here. They are jealous, they don't trust, they feel this Empress is too gorgeous to be by themselves, right? But maybe that's how they were thinking, and that's, I don't know, but I think the truth is coming out. The truth will soon be out. So this could have been a problem. Somebody was jealous or didn't trust. Shit, you're all I ever think about. The past, the good times, our passion, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. Okay. Third card says, your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. So somebody's, I think this is all suspicions. All suspicions, somebody feels there's somebody else, and you know, I don't think it's ever been talked about, but somebody is jealous and assumes and presumes that there's somebody else. You're never done because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you, even when you don't see me. So yes, lots of thinking going on, but maybe in separation. You're the most beautiful person in the world. at least in my world. You are my whole world, my universe, my all. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. It's the little things that you do make you so special. I've never felt such an intense connection. I think this intensity is what scared somebody and they felt it was too good to be true. Let's talk and clear the air. Isn't that the first thing I said, Leo? Somebody wants to talk and clear the air now. There's too much of presumptions and assumptions that have happened here. Somebody definitely wants to have a rebirth because they know that this person makes them really, really happy. Alright, so let's start your reading, but you know I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels can bless this reading, give us a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my lions and my lionesses out there. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Leo gang spirit. Stress management. Yes, Leo, somebody has been really, really stressed out, assuming and presuming the worst, I think, of their partner. But I think this communication, this let's talk and clear the air, can probably help deal with this stress now. Oops. All right. So let's start clarifying these cards, Leo. The first card here, from what I see, is the Empress. What's this Empress card, Spirit? What's this Empress card? And the King of Wands? Yeah, see, somebody has been spying, somebody has been watching this beautiful Empress, but from the sidelines. Always thinking the worst, being jealous, thinking, you know, they're too good to be true, something is wrong here, something is wrong here. And in their jealousy or whatever, this person made a decision which was against this connection, I feel. One more, Spirit, for the Empress and the King of Swords in reverse. Yes, I think now this whoever this King of Swords is feeling rather restless. They feel, oh my God, now we're not even talking to each other because maybe, you know, they never really respected this Empress, and this Empress is now kind of feeling not taken care of or unloved or something like that, and now there is no talking happening, but yes, spying is still going on. What was this decision made, Spirit, with the Two of Swords in reverse? What was this decision made? What was this decision made by this, whoever made it? Okay, one more. What was the decision that was made? Somebody was feeling very ungrounded. They felt they were being emotionally manipulative. I think somebody was trying to emotionally manipulate the situation. Maybe they were feeling very ungrounded in their own life. Maybe their own, you know, work, money, family. They were going through a certain thing in their own life. And they kind of made a harsh judgment on this beautiful Empress and emotionally, you know, kind of never showed them either their true emotions or how they felt, or maybe emotionally manipulated them, expected the worst out of them maybe. So now what's happening, Spirit? Five of Cups in reverse. Even though I think this person knew that, you know, this person made them really happy. What's happening with the Five of Cups in reverse? Five of Cups in reverse. I think somebody has been listening to their intuition, and now because you guys are not talking, things are kind of in no man's land. There is both at, you know, at crossroads now in this connection. Is it going to go anywhere? Is it not going to go anywhere? There's been a lot of thinking. This is an equal pair. This is the Hermit to the High Priestess. but both at crossroads right now, wondering whether it's going to work out or not. But there is that will now to not live in regret and sorrow and come out of this place. Somebody is looking for a reunion here, Leo. Somebody really wants this reunion. They want to have a talk. They want to clear the air. Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Yes, they're a bit afraid, I think, of this feminine here who they feel could be a little upset and angry with them right now. They do want to have a rebirth of this connection, that's for sure, and may just be coming in with an apology. Yes, somebody is very, very stressed out. Somebody is very stressed out. They feel, I'm not sure whether my wishes are going to come true now because my person is very angry and upset with me now because of, what they did in the past. Now, even though they want a reconciliation, they want a rebirth of this connection, they want to have this clear talk with maybe their person, they don't know how because they feel that this feminine has lost trust in this connection now. So, Page of Cups, Spirit. What's this Page of Cups? Yes, somebody wants to say, hey, I'm very sorry. I kind of killed this relationship literally. I brought this imbalance into this connection. I have now made up my mind. I am no longer confused. I know what I want in my life. I choose you. Can we have a fresh new beginning once again? That's the apology that they want to give. Somebody wants to take back power, take back control now of this situation. But they're still coming in a bit of deceptive energy, I think. Emperor, Spirit? What's this Emperor? Emperor. They want to come back like in their power. They don't want to come being emotional or, yeah, this person has a lot of pride. This person, whoever this person is, they are a bit selfish and a bit self-centered. They want to come looking like the emperor, right? They don't want to be overtly emotional or show their emotions or anything like that. Even though heart of hearts, they know that this is their they want to return. They want to return, but they don't want to show emotions here. So 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. They want to come back with a romantic offer, except I have a feeling whoever this Empress is in their life, I don't know. They've already disrespected this Empress once. As much as they don't want to close this chapter down with this Empress is, I think, still a bit upset and angry with them because they probably left them out in the cold earlier. So there could be a little bit of defensive attitude coming from this feminine now. So be a little aware, Leo, if you are this Knight of Cups wanting to reconcile and say your sorries, be mindful. This Empress is a little upset with you, and what this Knight of Cups basically wants to say is, hey, you make me emotionally very happy. Can we try again? Can we start again? So I'm not sure how easy it's going to be now to let's take one more card. One more card, Spirit, for Leo. What can we expect? Spirit is saying there has been a very, very big imbalance in this connection. Yes, I think the feminine is kind of closed off right now. They've been made to feel like a loser, and they've kind of at the moment lost their passion for this connection. So it's going to take a lot of work. Okay, so yes, somebody is stressed out about what work to put in. Instead of going in this deceptive energy, Leo, put this upright and reveal your true emotions if you really want something. All right, so that's all I have for you. Take care, love and light. See you next time. Namaste.